1 2 1 2. 1 1 1. 1 1. 1 2 1 2 1 2. 1 million, 2 million, 3 million. 1 2 1 2 1 2. 'Hello, hello. Can you hear me?
Hello, hello. Yes, we can.
Perfect. How is you guys?
Great. How about you?
Can't complain. Gold has been a bit of a bitch recently. I actually adjusted today. Yesterday was good profit. I think it was 100 pips, 150 pips altogether. And now gold is back inconveniently into this wedge. So, and of course the daily and the weekly pivot is bang on lining up together. So I really see two probabilities here. But before I explain, let's have a look in the economic calendar to see if we have any meaningful economic data today. What is your guess? Do we have anything?
Nope.
Nope. Absolutely dry. Drier than a grandma.
Thomas.
Hello, Janar. So, there is no economic data to trade. And I guess there's not much in the earnings calendar either, because earnings gonna kick off probably next week or the week after.
Right, nothing.
Oh, actually, no, Pepsi. That's a big company, but we're waiting for the bigger ones. So yeah, this Friday, when all the financials going to start reporting, including JP Morgan, Wells Fargo, Bank of New York Mellon, and for me, this is the official start of the earnings season when the financials report. And then, of course, the big tech companies are the next big hit. But until that, we have absolutely nothing in the economic calendar. Nothing in the economic calendar and the earnings calendar. And gold has been ranging for 2.5 weeks in this big ass wedge. It's waiting for a catalyst. Waiting for something, either war escalation, which would push gold out from this wedge back to the all-time high, or something else. But What else? A little bit weaker economic data would be good. So 2 reasons why gold could fly. Weak economic data, especially labor market data, because last week we had an increasingly strong NFP data, or an escalation in the war. On the downside, there's much more. The first one is the Fed has just dialed back, or the expectations of interest rate cut by the FOMC have been dialed back by traders from 50 to 25, and even rumors are on the street that the Fed isn't going to cut in November. So it's a tough choice. I see more downside risk right now. I see more downside on gold right now than upside. And it's dancing on the daily and the weekly pivot. Still within this wedge. But this engulfing candle is very strong. So now turning into the technicals. Because of this engulfing candle, I would enter into long position. But on the fundamental side, there's only 2 reasons why gold could fly. The first one is a war escalation. The second one is a weak labor market data. There is no labor market data today, although there is war still going on. Yesterday was the anniversary, or the 1-year marker of the Israel attack. Nothing happened really. I don't know if there's anything going to happen today. So there's more downside. What do you think? Do you follow me on the thought process?
Yep.
Or maybe a retracement.
Yes, it feels like 1 year ago. Jesus. What's up, Thomas?
Yeah, it was a Saturday. Has anyone heard anything about war escalation?
Everyone waiting. So no, nothing new.
NASDAQ. See ya.
On
NASDAQ looks like it's going to drop. Now, this has an interesting story. If you look at how Asia closed last night or today, you're going to see red, especially in China. Whoa, minus 10%. What the fish? Hang Seng Index closed minus 10%. Now, why do you think the Chinese stock market closed almost 10% down? Nikkei 1% down. London down. Why do you think is that? You're not reading financial news? Have you heard about the stimulus package in China? Anyone?
Yeah, but didn't it move the up in China?
Yeah, there was bank holiday last week. So they announced a big stimulus package. But when the market opened today, there was nothing more. And, markets were expecting like, oh, they want more. It's free money. It's like crack cocaine for, the addicts. We financiers or bankers, we love free money. And because there was no other stimulus or other announcement, the market was disappointed, and they said, well, okay, down 10%, boom. This is market sentiment. They wanted more. So I bet, because of this news, because of this story, that this negative market sentiment is going to spill over to the US. And the mood is going to be very sour. Yes, I'm going to short NASDAQ. Of course, this is not financial advice. And I'm gonna go in. Full margin. this is it. What do you think? Does it make sense? All right, I'm gonna stop sharing the Zoom, and when you guys wake up, I will reshare the screen.
Okay.
You
I'm
guys
here.
here? Oh, perfect.
Morning,
Oh,
Alpha.
yeah.
Screen is
Good
back.
morning, wait.
Wakey, wakey, motherfuckers. Don't leave me hanging.
Well, I'm
Morning,
still
boss.
up. I read news. So, I'm listening you. So,
There is no excuse for what you did.
I'm sorry.
Okay, just typing out the position in Discord.
Take your time.
Where did I place the... Okay. 19,700. What the... Everything is so slow today. Even ChatGPT is frozen down.
So calm.
How are you guys? Did you make some money today?
Made and lost.
Yesterday was good,
Yesterday was good.
but today is just no good. All right. So NASDAQ position or signal has been sent out. The analysis has been sent out into Discord, so you can have a look. Essentially the same position I took just now. It won't be moving for another hour. I don't think it's going to be very active. NASDAQ, obviously, the exchange is closed and it's opening in an hour and 4 minutes. On gold,
Hard
Gold
to
is-
trade at the moment.
it is hard to trade because everyone is waiting for Thursday's CPI. And I already explained the bullish and bearish drivers from gold. Because I took the short on NASDAQ, I might take a long on gold. Now these move very often in correlation, but let me show you it on the chart. So, do you know how to do a visual correlation analysis in TradingView?
No.
Okay, so you open up TradingView, and right now I'm on NASDAQ 100. So what I want to do is I want to see the visual correlation between gold and NASDAQ. So what I'm going to do, go to the watch list, right click on gold, right click on gold, add gold to compare. But because these are two different assets and one of them is 2,000, the other one is almost 20,000 in price, we need to normalize the data. So what I'm going to do is I right click onto the newest line chart, pin to scale, and pin to new left scale. This one normalizes the chart. And recently, there's been some very weird correlation. Sometimes it's moving in tandem. Perfect. So this shows you exactly that even DXY and gold, NASDAQ and gold doesn't always perfectly uncorrelated or correlated, because the correlation tends to break down and strengthen depending on the risk on or risk off mode. So this one is not relevant for now. Looks like gold is pulling back from the pivot. So it looks like that more the technicals are in play today. Limitless admin. Yes. The reason why I took a sell on NASDAQ is because if you have a look on the global markets, especially in China, you can see that the Hang Seng Index closed minus 10%, 9.41%. Let's round it up to 10%. It sounds so much better. The reason why is because traders and investors were expecting more stimulus, but didn't get it. Of course, there was a bank holiday last week in China. When the markets opened today, they were disappointed. And disappointment of traders and investors is a very dangerous thing. And actually, there's a number to it. It's minus 10%, minus 9.4%. Nikkei closed minus 1%. London, minus 1%. So you see that the mood is very sour on the international or global markets. And the reason for the NASDAQ short is because I think that this mood is going to spill over. And while we speak, gold is now pulling back. I'm too afraid to short it. I know Thomas or Penn is shorting it. And he's running in balls deep profit. Cheeky bugger. Oh no, he caught the stop loss. Damn it. And now prices moved down 40 pips. Shit. Okay, so based on the pivots, I will be risking a sell of one full lot. Not less, not more. And I'm using the wedge as a guide. So risking £682.
Golden today, sneaky bastard.
It is indeed. But as I mentioned, I see more downside on gold than upside. There's only war escalation and weak labor market or job market data which can push gold up. And there's no job market data today, no labor market data. No escalation of war yet. Ooh! Damn it, we're running in 40 pips profit. Immediately. Why are you doing this? $55 pips. Wow. Maybe it isn't going to be a bad day after all. $55 pips. Wow. Maybe it isn't going to be a bad day after all. Hello, Charles. How you doing?
Hello, hello. My flipping camera's not working for some reason.
Are you in Dubai?
No, I didn't end up going.
Ah, damn it.
I know, I've been seeing some pictures and videos. It looks really fun.
It must be fun.
Hello. Hello. There's like a lag effect there. I'm surprised you you went live today.
I am. We are.
Not much data, and I've been away for the weekend, so I feel really out of touch all of a sudden.
Yeah, it's best not to trade when you off for a few days. Yeah, so I was just talking about gold and NASDAQ. I went short on NASDAQ because the Chinese stimulus disappointment, and you can see the disappointment in Hang Seng Index dropping almost 10%, 9.41%. That is big. That's a lot. I mean, imagine your salary got cut by 10%. It's a lot. Or your Willy gets longer 10%. It's a lot.
They had the holiday, so I'm surprised they expected more communication, really.
Yeah, I mean, it was. I think it was unfortunate by the government or central bank. Well, it's both monetary and fiscal stimulus was announced, and I think it was communicated well in the wrong time. I mean, why on earth would you do it in a bank holiday week? And then when the market opens, you announce that, well, actually there will be no other stimulus. Of course, everyone started selling.
Yeah, people, if they went all in on that, taking loans out or something like that, they would have been like, "Oh my god, I need to get out quick."
Yeah, NASDAQ. This is why I'm expecting this sour mood to spill over or poise US markets as well. It did very well on the UK market. It was down 1%. So NASDAQ, I see downside movement.
On New York Open, yeah.
Yeah, on gold, I'm honestly not too sure today. War escalation and weak labor market data is the only two things which can push up gold. to the previous all-time high. There's no job market or labor market data today, and yet there is no war escalation. I hope there will be no escalation of war for the sake of people. The downside is that now traders and investors dialed back the expectation of rate cuts from 50 basis point to 25 basis point. And some people even say that there will be no interest rate cut in November. It's not me, but some analysts are saying. Actually, I would say there will be no rate cut in November.
I haven't looked at the Fed one at all.
So enter to position based on these two.
Wow, 88% expect.
25 basis point, right?
Yeah, that's crazy. It's crazy how quick things can change.
Yeah,
Unbelievable.
just like a fart in the wind.
That dot plot, the recent dot plot, seems pretty accurate then. Just above 25 basis points. What is gold doing?
It's being a cunt. Absolute cunt.
Really retrained.
It means it's working. Good old gold.
Yeah.
Zoli Penzes, hi. You had problems with your psychology. What is your average percentage profit per month? Yeah, mate. I've been to psychologists so many times in my life. Work related, family related, and you know, I'm just literally, I'm keeping up two families, my own and my psychologist family. But you know, she has to live from. The people ask me, "What did you do at the weekend?" I was like, "Work to my psychologist." What is your average percentage profit per month? It varies a lot, but somewhere between 3 and 10%. That's the average per month.
No way. That candle. Ridiculous. I'm just putting a lot of weight on that weekly pivot.
Where's the weekly pivot? Ooh.
2650. It's rejected off of it, pretty much, but they're both lined up.
Katie Lind, well, he signed up with someone else's name, just received his CFA books.
Ooh.
So this guy just asked me about, you know, where to learn more economic related stuff. How can he learn more economics? And immediately my answer was like, just buy some used CFA books, because that is one of the most prestigious exams in finance, and the economics book is really good. But you can't buy just one book, you have to buy the whole level one, and that is like 6 books. And each of the book is like 600 pages. You get 6 of that, so 3,600 pages to learn in less than 6 months. Would you able to do it?
Yeah, that's mad.
It is mad, but that's why it's one of the hardest exams in finance.
What's that best?
Expensive. £171 for, I think, the set.
You can buy, you don't have to buy the newest one, just buy old ones. Even, 2017, 18, 19 will be more than good. Even 2016. The reason why is because CFA changes each year some of the topics. So this way, next year they can resell the books. They can print new books and they can sell it again.
There's even a 2025 one already on sale.
Sorry?
There's already a 2025 box set on sale.
Yeah, I don't know. I think it was in September or October, the next level 1 exams and level 2. Oh, I need Coben FX to post some signals. Mate, I'm struggling with gold today.
Yeah, this is something I used to struggle with when you get that time period of gold just not playing ball, and then you keep trading regardless of your losses, and now I stop, which is a huge improvement. Whereas I used to just keep going and going and going, and it would just get worse and worse.
Yeah, but that's what we've been taught in all our life. Even our wife and girlfriend just say, don't stop, keep going.
Yeah. No, you just can't.
Oh, Goldie, what is your plan today?
I hope it falls through.
Never know, innit? If NASDAQ falls...
It likes uncertainty, doesn't it, to drop off, so...
Yeah.
We knew that before Friday.
Can you say the book's name again? It's CFA, Chartered Financial Analyst Exam Book.
Found some 2020, £70 for the lot.
Yeah, buy that one. Don't look at the year. And one of the reasons is because after 2018, so much emphasis has been put in all of this BS, green investing, and it just this MiFID 2 as well. And what was the other thing? Yeah, anyway, this responsible investment, you don't need that shit. You will need it when you work in finance, but that's not gonna earn any money yet. It's too early. It's painful to read. Responsible investment and the green index, and nah, forget that.
It's gonna take so long for all of that to work out. Even electric cars.
There was a big hype and big rush. Everyone Tesla was way ahead of the game and put all the other car makers under pressure because it was a big hit. But now that all of them joined up, the latecomers like Volkswagen, all the other big companies, Asians especially, they've been on the market for quite a long time, is a competition for Tesla. But because the prices went up so high and that there's a massive shortfall on demand for electronic cars right now.
Yeah.
Zoli Penza, she working with prop firms? No, own money. I worked for hedge funds. One hedge fund and two investment bank and one big retail bank. You might know it. One of them was OTP Bank.
I found the set on eBay, but I just don't want to pay and then not actually get it.
You got customer protection on eBay.
Oh yeah, I can see that. Money back guarantee. Fine, let's go.
Yeah. Go for it, boy.
I was meaning to buy it a while ago, but it slipped my mind. Doing it right now. Plus, they'll look cool on my bookshelf.
Yeah, it's heavy as fuck.
They are massive. What the hell?
Yeah, I think I've got the level 1 books on my shelf. The level 2, I lost it when I was moving.
Oh.
And I haven't done the level 3. I still have to do that. What is the minimum to create an own account? Ideally, if you want to make money, you need tens of thousands. If you want to live off from the profit that you make, don't expect big changes from, you know, a couple of grand. It's good for practicing, and you can build up definitely, you know, compounding interest, you know, compounding your account and slowly growing. That's the best way. It's painful, it's long, but it's possible to do it. So I don't think the capital is really matters. It changes only the speed. So if you have a lot of capital and if you know how to manage that, I would give a good 5 years, 3 to 5 years, to be able to manage large amount. Because if you can't manage a small account, you can't manage a big account, because more capital isn't going to solve your psychological issues, your over leveraging and risk taking, and, you know, all of that. So maybe start with small capital, learn the market, learn the trade, and then you can move on to, you know, accumulate some funds and try to trade with that. But it's going to be a painful ride. Maybe, don't know, start with 500 euros, just place tiny lots and just see how your account grows. Have you heard about the turtle traders? That's the only way to grow your account. There's no other way.
I actually bought that book today, funnily enough. That's the experiment that they did, where they took just some novices and they gave them one strategy. I can't remember the two famous investor, big time portfolio managers that did it, but it's like folklore.
Yeah, it's absolutely. But it's actually you can see the newspaper advertisement, and that was one mathematician and one trader or statistician or something, and the two guys' names are Richard Dennis and William Eckhart. And William Eckhart is William Eckhart is one of the most is a well-known person.
Yeah, Richard Dennis is on the Market Wizards book. That's where I first heard about him.
Oh, really? In which Market Wizards or?
I think it's the original one with Richard Dennis.
Okay.
Because there he speaks more, almost exactly encapsulating what you've just been speaking about, where you don't need to have any special talents. You just need to basically follow a plan. And that's what they did with these turtles, is they gave them a plan and they just said follow it. And anyone that didn't follow it fell out of the program, and anyone that did are now multi-millionaires.
Yeah.
It started out, funnily enough, last thing I'll say on it, as a bet between those two gentlemen, to say, one said, Richard Dennis said it could be done, and the other one said it can't be done. You cannot take novices, just give them a plan and they'll make money. And he was determined, yes, you can.
The question is, what were the rules which they had to follow?
They're well known because he's a very systematic trader. So
Actually,
it's a basic breakout strategy on the 15-minute or something like that. It's a basic breakout strategy. If you saw it, you'd be like, no ways.
I'll show you what was the strategy. It was a breakout strategy. So we all know, and you should see trading your gold chart right now. So gold loves to consolidate, and I can prove it to you. Gold loves to consolidate for days and weeks and months. And you can see it on the daily chart that if you able to step back and look at the chart and look at how gold behaves, you are going to see the higher time frame you go, the more of these shitty consolidations you're going to see. Obviously, up until 2004, there was not much movement on the gold market. But as soon as it started breaking out, you see it broke the long time highs, and then it went higher and higher. It broke the all-time high right here, and prior to these new highs, every single time there was a, guess what, consolidation. You can see here a consolidation right here. As soon as it broke out, this is tens of thousands of pips. From $650, it almost doubled in price to 1,000. Of course, there was a pullback, but we know exactly that every pullback is just an opportunity to re-enter. And then it went higher. Now, if I go down to lower time frame, you're going to see, oh, come back. You're going to see more consolidation on lower time frames. Where is that shit? You're going to see more consolidations. This is a consolidation. This is a pullback. Consolidation, consolidation with pullbacks, and it just went higher and higher. So the strategy was that, especially, I think they traded mostly on the commodity markets, soybeans, orange juice, and all that. So when they see a breakout like this, they were told to enter. And I correct me if I'm wrong, but this is the turtle strategy I know. They were told to enter into a trade, and just they don't even have to set a stop loss, because mostly they traded on the futures market where it's a completely different. You don't use the stop loss. And every single time the asset broke out from consolidation, they just entered, and it was a long-term trade. That's what I know as turtle strategy.
Easier said than done. Holding trades is so hard.
I was just about to say this is kind of the crux of everything. It's you make things as complicated as you want to. If you just stick to, like, no strategy works, but you can make every strategy work.
Well, you are the best trader before you experience your first loss, because you don't realize the pain. So your psychology then isn't there playing against you. You're like a clean slate, basically.
Yeah, you're the master of the universe. You made money.
Yeah.
You're in a mood like, yeah, I'm going to be a millionaire. And then you lose everything, and then
Market's fault.
Yeah.
Market makers, not market
Blame
makers.
someone,
Yeah.
Liquidity.
It's easier to blame
Broker.
someone.
Slippage.
That's a real thing. And then that's the break as well.
Hey, hello Benze. Hello Coven FX. Welcome back.
Family,
Going on.
Man in Black. I manipulate the market.
Big black.
Yeah. How are you
Good,
doing,
guys.
guys?
I can't make any sense out of gold.
I see. Like
We
I
have
told you, I have buy from 2,630. To be honest, I had a long night. I have to make some reconstruction midnight till 3 a.m. in the morning. So after I take my daughter to sleep to the school, came back, and I just saw there is opportunity if I setting limit order to 2,630 and
Yeah.
went to sleep, and after once I wake up I just saw we are already at 90 pips profit.
Wow.
It went way much higher, so actually it's 230 was top of the move. I'm expecting 2,680 and after we will see. Yeah,
Congratulations.
thank you.
Here we are, struggling to make any money.
How is that on your side?
There's a good area down there.
Yeah, gold is, if you see on the screen, there's a big ass wedge, and it goes up and down. And we have CPI on this Friday, so I think the market is going to consolidate within this wedge, especially as we get to the tip of the spear or tip of the edge. It's going to be more volatile. It's going to be up and down, because we need a catalyst. Now, what catalyst we have in the market? We have CPI, but it's only on Thursday. We have the war. Well, yesterday was the 1-year anniversary of the Israel attack, and there is no development since yesterday, not that we know of. And on the bearish side, we have rate cut expectation dialed back because of the robust non-farm payroll last Friday, so that's bearish for gold.
Yeah.
How about VTI? Because like I told you last week, we have buy from 66.70 and it was very close to my entry. Like I told you, 80.20 is my target, but we know exactly because the war is going, it should be goes I think higher, but technically there is a liquidity zone, and I'm expecting the price arrive to that level.
That should be bullish for gold. On the other hand, it should be very bearish for stock markets. I entered into a short position on NASDAQ because the stimulus package China announced last week on a freaking bank holiday didn't come through as expected, so traders started shorting the Hang Seng index in China. Japan Nikkei followed -1%. Then this sour mood spilled over to London. And what I'm expecting when New York opens is a big sell.
On stock market?
Yes, New York Stock Exchange.
So like I told you last week, my expectation was 42,500. The price was very close to that. I'm still keep my eyes on it because I think possible one more push there and after the drop to the downside. But yeah, we know exactly how is the news working. On the gold, I had very nice setup today morning. The break of market structure. This high low was for me basically liquidity, and I know the price will be coming to the valid order block. And as you can see, it's not perfect.
Yeah, sweet.
Zoli Pénzes, what do you think about CPI, gold long? That depends on the number. If you have a weak CPI number, then gold is going to continue to a new all-time high. If you have a strong CPI number, we're going to see one of the biggest sells this year.
Good.
I think the price will be continue higher, and with the news it will be drop. But yeah, the difficult to tell you exactly what will be happening. One bomb, it arrives somewhere and doesn't matter.
Exactly. Well said. We can't trade off these. When the war kicks off, it's easy to make money, but as longer it goes on, it's more difficult it becomes, and after a while, it will be priced in completely to the market. So I think the run-up period for the war, when it really kicks off, that's good opportunity to make money. But after that, it's getting worse and worse.
Yeah.
Okay, new 4-hour candle just open. Panzer, do you have any signals for us? Any trade ideas?
To be honest, I was very happy with this gold buy in the morning, so I just very quick checking for you EUR USD and GBP USD, because To be honest, I didn't spend too much time in front of the chart, but let's see. I think on GBP/USD, if we get some retracement to the downside, I will be looking to take a buy 1.30.
Do you want to share your screen?
If you want, I can, yes.
Yeah. Let me stop the sharing.
You need to change the security.
Ah, hold on. Can you
Doesn't
try
matter.
now?
Yes, perfect.
Coben's a hacker now.
Okay, so please let me know if you can see my screen. We are at GBP/USD. So if we check the higher time frame, so the higher time frame at the moment, 4 hour, it's bullish. Sorry, bearish, but we can expecting some bigger retracement to the upside before maybe it's continue lower. And if I just checking really quick the intraday perspective, then we can see the H1 is for me is still bearish, but if the price makes some continuation to the upside and it makes the break of market structure at this point, because if we check, we have high, we have low, we have lower high, we have low low. So at this place, with the price making this kind of move, for me it's only the complex pullback, because technically you see it's create lower highs and lower lows. But if it makes the break of market structure, then everything is changing for me, and then I will be looking to take a buy. Why? Because then the H1 it's make the break of market structure to the upside, and if I just show you these two boxes, one is the Asia session, and basically you see the price takes out the Asia session liquidity in London session. Now looks like the M15 it's already making break of market structure, but if I try to take a buy position now, it's a bit risky, but it can be play out technically. But now what I'm waiting, for example, you see there is some imbalance, so the gap doesn't fill up, the price can be coming back to this level. So this movement was for me liquidity takeout, and basically if this region the price makes the break of market structure to the upside and give the confirmation entry, then I will be looking to take a buy, and I will be waiting bigger movement to the upside, because you see basically the price takes out the liquidity here as well after it's making of market structure. It's now making some consolidation, so I share 100% below these lows there is liquidity what the price can be taken out, then the gap what the price create here will be filled up. So yeah, basically this is one of the zone I think where we can expect the price return and after continue to the upside. But yeah, then we can expecting definitely bigger movement to the upside, because there is so many gap, and we know exactly most of the time, just matter of the time, and the price will be fill up the gap, like on the left side if you check the movement. So it was long time ago, but you see the gap is that place where the candlesticks close, not crossing each other. So there was a big volume and only buy orders, and you know the price can be come back there and fill up the and execute those orders what wasn't compound. And you see long time ago it happens, and it was third of the time and the price coming back. So yeah, I'm waiting upside momentum on GBP/USD. With my swing trades, we already have entry on it. Maybe I think this zone can be good for entry point. Euro/USD. Yeah, Euro/USD also. If you check the structure, it's looking pretty similar, but same time it's a bit different, because we check the H1, you see it's create lower highs and lower lows. At this point, the price failed to make the lower low and making break of market structure here. So now this movement, you see Asia session, London session, the price make the liquidity take out to the downside, but at this point you see the lower time frame making break of market structure, and this last candle, what was basically the order block, was mitigated with this movement. Same thing happened here. Again, break of market structure. We had small imbalance here, what was filled up by this candle. And yeah, Euro USD looking really interesting. There is also some imbalance, and yeah, this is the zone basically where I'm expecting so possible upside momentum, and if it gives some confirmation, we can take a buy, and we can target the H4 over high level because there's loads of imbalance. But on the H1, the structure is already shifted, so I think here is more probability. I'm just checking the market sentiment. Yeah, there is the market sentiment not the best because most of the people looking to buy, and you know exactly it's not the best, but technically this is what I'm expecting with the confirmation. That's all, guys.
That's good.
Yeah.
Simple trading.
And actually, I'm not gonna lie, we are already in the trade from let me tell you the exact entry point.
Thank you, Colvin.
So we took a buy at 1.09700. 700. So yeah, from here, and yeah, I'm expecting for first target basically the H4 imbalance fill up, and after it can be goes way much higher. So yeah, I think long-term target absolute possibility to be create the new high level. I'm sure you got because it was really nice trade. I know Thomas has a sell if I'm so correctly, but yeah, basically this is the trade what I'm taking from this point. There was an order block on the lower time frame, and now looks like the price make the break of market structure on the H1 upside. So if we're checking the lower time frame, absolute possible some retracement, but my technical side has basically the daily cycle. You know exactly fundamentally and technically gold is still bullish, and the price in Asia session create liquidity. London makes the move against the main trend, what was bullish, and you see the price takes out the liquidity below the Asia low, coming back to the lower time frame point of interest. And I think if we are going on the lower time frame, at this point we can see somewhere imbalance. So the price can be returned to that level and after continue higher. Let's see. Yes, you see. So this is basically one of my best setup. Just yeah, I'm not really like to going lower than M15 on gold because that's very volatile, but it is what it is, what I'm always need. So the first thing what we can see, the price make the stop hunt to the downside, liquidity takeout was under the Asia session. After you see the trend shift from bullish to bearish. Now you see the imbalance and there is some relative equal loss. What the price can be target. So basically what we can expecting, because this movement was stop hunt, and after we have a break of market structure to the upside, this movement is become a valid order block for me. So this is the place, if we checking the movement, where the market makers start to selling crazy, and after what they're doing, they are putting bigger buy orders. So then they are start to close the sell, and from the sell position is become buy position. So there is more liquidity coming. So that's like I told you in the previous conversation, there is an imbalance. So there is the sell orders cancelled and only buy orders. But at this point, first they start to selling, so they left some sell position over there, and now they are taking profits. So the price will be falling down, and that point when the price coming back to the order block, where it still left some sell position, if they are close it at zero, what will be happened? From the sell position become again buy position, and what they are doing more for the crazy movement, they close the sell, what is become buy, and they are buying crazy. So the crazy volume coming. So yeah. This place.
It's good, especially if the market structure shift. It's good.
it's looking good. Also, you know, like I told you, so
Would you do you ever use Fibonacci? So if the Fibonacci also lines up with that order block.
His middle name is Fibonacci.
yeah, you know, as you can see, it is on my watch.
His bodies, right? Oh, okay.
You see, this is matches with the 7860.
Yes, perfect.
So yeah, it can
Textbook.
be, but you see, on everything is, for me, everything is looking really good. There is the previous daily high. That's also a equal high. So you know exactly that previous daily high in my scenario always liquidity, because we know exactly above previous daily high, previous daily low. There is stop loss. What is stop loss? Liquidity.
Not me.
Yeah.
Everyone that's not in Alpha Vex, that's the stop loss.
What can we maybe interesting if we check the previous daily high? Thomas, your previous name was Picasso. Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, but I don't know how to delete it now.
Really? Don't worry, it's looking pretty good. I love it. So yeah, this level can be really interesting. So
Yeah.
if it's to this point and shifting, this will be definitely target 2664.
I don't know if I delete this.
Because that was the previous daily high. We have break of market structure, we have imbalance, and like I told you, there is some relative equal highs.
So if I know you're already in a long position from,
I did it, bro, don't worry.
would you just put a stop loss below that previous low where the Asian low was taken?
Yeah, that can be good, definitely, because you know the price already take the previous daily low.
Should be protected there, yeah.
Yeah, this order block can be valid, and also
Strong.
like higher time frame order block, lower time frame order
Yeah,
block,
that's good.
daily low was taken, everything. So yeah, this is my expectation on gold. GPUs, let's just have a look very quick also. So yeah, just some pullback on it, and probably similar thing on EU.
Gold is running 42 pips profit, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, it's very, very nice. I got in on the pullback.
Mother, I'm giving back the screen, okay? Thanks for the opportunity.
Anytime.
Pleasure. Thank you.
It's yours.
So clear. I understand.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Glad to
Guys,
see.
Coben is very good with technicals.
Very similar, yeah. That's good.
Today I have a pretty busy day, but like I told you, maybe today I will make a pool, and if you want, I will analyze for you every day 1-2 pairs, not gold. How we make the deal with Thomas, something else, and yeah, let me help you and let me make some money.
Mexican peso and Swedish koruna.
I don't mind. We just need plenty, you know.
I do like trading Great British Pounds, US dollar. It's good pair.
Das Cable.
Yeah. GJ is good. Not really traded that recently.
The GPY pairs is really volatile. I think the past few months
Yeah.
are moving crazy.
15 minutes on the New York Open. We're going to wait it. We're going to do another 30 minutes probably on this live session and see where the market is going. If it goes into our favor, well, we should see in 10 minutes, 5-10 minutes, when the dust settled at the New York Open, we should see the direction. If it goes into our favor, then just lock in profit or leave the runners. If not, then just close it down and do our daily lives.
Go back to bed and cry.
Sounds good.
This is good, yeah?
Das ist sehr gut, meine Freunde.
Sprechen Sie Deutsch?
Nein.
Hast du Kaka in der Hose?
The Hosen?
Nicht meine Haus.
You have Hasdukaka in your house?
Nein.
Nine?
Good pullback.
June. Back on YouTube says, I wanna learn Germany. Ja. Spritze gut, big Bratwurst. Alexa, turn the lights on.
Okay, my buy limit's at
Alexa, turn the lights off.
Thomas, your
2600.
camera don't work.
33.85.
Alexa, play 20 lots trade.
Alexa, buy gold, 50 lots.
9. I'd accept it.
That'd be pretty good if you could ask Siri to trade for you. Oh. Right, the new AI model iPhone should be able to do that. No, I'm getting a refund.
Oh, almost 50 pips profit on gold. 17 pips drawdown in NASDAQ. It's not too bad. Alexa, push gold down by Max Sazonov. Go, go, go.
So stupid. Buy limits on gold. Let's do this. Taking profit.
Olivier Dubois. So gold is ranging because macroeconomics and fundamentals are mixed. It's the same thing, macroeconomics and fundamentals. In my opinion, it's well, fundamentals. You can say geopolitics as well, but I'm using macroeconomic data as interchangeably, macroeconomics and fundamentals. The reason why it's ranging, the first one is because ranging because geopolitical tensions are still, day-to-day issues with Israel. And the data was very good last week on NFP. Therefore, traders and investors dialed back the expectation of interest rate cut. So these two things are very powerful, going against each other. And yes. Stop drawing on my screen, Oasis. $50 pips profit on gold, ladies and gentlemen.
Make the money, take the money.
Olivier, traders cannot agree on a simple direction. Yeah, but I don't blame them. So half of the market is betting big on escalation of Israel war. The other half is, the smart money which looking at monetary policy and you know how that is going to shape the market. And I'm on that side, and sometimes on the war side, depending where I can make money.
No way. The CFA books are online for free.
Yeah, Tony just posted in Discord.
I don't think they all are.
Yeah, only thing you need is pretty much the macroeconomics. So there are. You don't need the corporate issuers, equities, and fixed income. Oh no. You need. You need the economics, so you don't even need a full book.
Wait, Tony, are you here still? Yeah, it doesn't look like you can actually get them all. Swing trading for dummies.
So, CPI this Thursday, you're going to be trading alone.
Why?
Mm-hmm.
What is this reason?
Because I won't be here.
That's sad.
Yeah.
Where you will be?
Pipland.
See over there, brother.
I'm gonna take some time off.
Don't forget the profit side as well.
Yeah, I don't think I will be trading for a good week. So in the meantime, if you have any questions, any requests, feel free to send a direct message to CobanFX.
Love you.
Not sure if you know, guys, but CobanFX does signal service, so he's reliable. He's one of the few persons I recommend. So check out his signals. He's transparent. He's good. So I can highly recommend him. So if you want to share your link, Coban.
Yeah, I can. The free one is good. You can have a look the past results, and usually if we have some nice profit, I'm always forward the currently running profit CT. So you can have a look. So there is no bullshit. People lie, numbers don't.
Mm-hmm.
It's free, so yeah, feel free to join.
Olivier is asking how much were paid the best traders at the bank you worked in. So I worked at a hedge fund where
I just
that was
sorry, I just sent the group link in the chat, so you can join if you want. That's all.
okay. I'm sending it onto the YouTube chat. So make sure you follow Coban FX free signal.
I'm a pussy. I took my profits before New York opened.
No, it's I think it was wise, because look on gold. Gold is still ranging. Gold is still ranging, so it has as much possibility to go up as down. So it's currently running in 760, 769 pips profit. I think it was reasonable that you took profit. I only entered with a small lot, so I'm gonna let it I need to post on Instagram, so I need something to happen. No money, no punani.
Yes. I have a tiny buy limit just triggered.
I was so afraid you're gonna say something else, that you have a tiny.
Tiny. Fair value gap trading. Love it. And it's on 61.8 fib.
Two minutes, 20 seconds. Coben, are you long or short on gold? You long, right?
Yeah, from 30. Yes. I'm fine. I'm happy if you're making some money as well. But like I told you, it can be come back down to 2,633. After we will see. I think if it goes below, then you are fine. And I don't know, what is your, don't you have a 2,000?
The 2,600 for now is the target.
Yeah, if today low order block will be not respecting, then I think the price will be falling down to 2,624 definitely, because that was the previous weekly low. What is liquidity, and yeah, after we will see.
$80 pips, very nice. And we have 1 minute 22 seconds until New York Open.
Boom, boom.
$85 pips. One minute until New York Open.
Yeah, the music. If there wasn't people nervous already, now they are.
Just training you. It's better to be a warrior in a garden than a gardener in a war.
You'd be alright as a gardener. You'd have like a pitchfork and a trowel to throw at people.
18 seconds to go. Let's see. Ladies and gentlemen, we have 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And New York is open. Volume is coming to the market. Volatility is increasing. Let's see. Gold is running in 70, 80 pips of profit. NASDAQ is down 24 pips for now. Asian markets closed in heavy losses. Let's see if that's going to spill over to the US markets. Gold is running in. $87, $86, $84 pips of profit. It's very quiet market open. Not much is happening. This shows that the market is clearly waiting for Thursday's CPI report. And bad news is there is a high probability that the market is going to continue to range.
Tamás, meg volt a bejelentés? Mert telefonban voltam, aztán nem bírtam figyelni semmire.
Szia! Milyen bejelentés?
Hát amit várunk.
Nem várunk semmit, mert nincsen ma semmi.
Ja, jó van, bocsakó.
Semmi gond.
Profitra várunk.
Én is.
Come on guys, full margin sell on gold, full margin sell. If we all sell, the market should drop. Sorry, Bence.
I just have to go because my daughter finishing the school. So nice to see you again. I'm coming back later.
Bye bye, Koban. Have a good day.
Ciao, ciao, hello.
Thank you, Calvin.
Sziasztok, urak, szép napot, ciao.
See ya, see
Jó
ya.
pihenést.
Bye bye.
Sell, sell. Alright, gold back to 80 pips of profit.
I'm trading against you right now.
Oh. Don't fight the old man.
Sorry.
Nah. Not much is happening so far. Orders are coming, flooding the market, but the market is very... traders are very indecisive on long and sell side. Which means the market is in equilibrium right now. Until CPI. And it very well could range until Thursday CPI.
Bad times. Where's this one trading? Apology. I've partnered with them before. So you've got a subscription.
Oh, I'm gonna mute Charles. Okay guys, I'm gonna call it today. We made 80-90 pips profit today.
Very good.
Thank you. I think that's more than decent on a Tuesday when there is no data and CPI is just around the corner. So take it or leave it. It's up to you. I'm gonna go be with my son. I wish everyone a relaxing morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are in the world. I hope you enjoyed the stream and made some profit. And team, are we going to live chat tomorrow?
Well, going on this live stream.
Well, no news, so I won't see a reason.
No news, good stream. Stream every day then.
Yeah, I think we can have it because I will be away for a week after that, so you know.
Only if you feel up to it.
Bit of a goodbye stream.
Yeah, we'll all have a drink.
Yeah,
Drink
get pissed live.
That's next week.
We call it Wednesday. Any day is an opportunity to get pissed.
Wednesday.
yeah, thank you so much, guys. I wish you a good day, and see you tomorrow for members. Okay.
Yeah, brother.
Bye. Have a nice evening.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Sal.
Bye bye.
Hello, szia Tamás.
Sziasztok.
So
Bye.
And those of you who stayed on the stream, I hope you enjoyed it. And we just made about 90 pips profit live on the gold sell. Yesterday we made 150 pips in the VIP, which I'm doing. If you would like to join the Alpha FX community to get daily analysis, get macroeconomic and fundamental commentary by myself, as I was a fixed income trader for many years at a hedge fund and 2 banks. Check the link below the video. There is a discount going on. Actually, the discount link is in the YouTube chat, sorry. So it's already pinned to the messages. If you want to get daily briefing or morning briefing, you want to see my entries with TP stop loss, and if you want to learn about macroeconomics and how to trade fundamental news, check the link in the YouTube chat. It's pinned at the top, and hopefully see you on the other side. Thank you so much. This is the Alpha FX.